What them, Peter?
What?
Mines.
What the fuck? Alan, what are you doing? We're in a fucking minefield. I have to cut all this swearing as well, won't I? That's why I can't put them on YouTube. What the We've actually gone into a minefield, I think. And here's Puffin Island. Soon be there.
He's not gone round it, has he? He must have gone to
1:30 BBC Radio 2, looking forward to meeting
There's a bit of mist in between there and all done.
What do we do about that boat coming towards us? Get out the way!
Closed following an accident between the Shot and Later, which is the Platty Checks roundabout,
Get
and
out!
Shields Road. There is a diversion.
Have we got a horn?
Well, you know, I'm trying to take pictures here.
Southbound is closed completely following the